Hi, Scott Pohl here with over 25 years in the pro shop industry, and we're talking today about one of the most important factors in bowling. Number one, the bowling ball grip pressure, when we actually put our hand into the bowling ball. Why is this so important? Well, we want to be consistent when we deliver that bowling ball. All right, what are some key factors involved? Number one is the span, or the length from your thumb to your fingers. Make sure it's not too long or too short and it fits just right. Next thing is, each size of the hole has to be correct. We don't want it too loose, so we have to squeeze the ball, or too tight, so we have to jam our fingers or thumb in the bowling ball. Another item that's very important are the pitches of the bowling ball. We look at how the hand is flexible, and we determine the pitch that's allowed for each finger and thumb hole to match the size and shape of the bowling ball. Next up, we have some finger inserts, and they have different shapes to them. They have more of a lift side, and they have an oval side. You can actually experiment a little bit with both and see what you like the feel of, what fits better. Thumb holes can also be ovalized or have just a round shape to them. All right, where do we go from there? Next is the hand in the actual ball. So if I grab my bowling ball here, I'm going to put my fingers in the ball. I don't really have to jam them. I just put them in nice and easy, and my thumb goes in. Now if you look at my hand there, it's very balanced on the bowling ball. Not a lot of pressure. I'm not pulling very hard to get in there. I'm not squeezing, and my hand's really short. The hand just goes right on the ball, very relaxed, easy in each hole. So what the point is, we don't want to squeeze, the hand just goes into the ball. All right, incorrect examples that we've discussed: holes can be too big, the span can be too long or too short, and it just doesn't fit right. All of these factors go into releasing the ball correctly. Go see your pro shop operator and have all of these items taken care of.